Hey y'all, this washing machine is a lifesaver. I'm rinsing my clothes now. Only thing I don't like about this is that you can't see when the lid is closed. You can't see the clothes spinning. You know, because of where I live at in the sink hookups and stuff. I didn't put the hoses and stuff on this machine. But all is well. This is still good. There. So yeah, it's you can hear it and you can see it shaking and stuff. But it gets my clean it get my clothes real what I seen so far, it's gotten my clothes real clean, and it spin dries real good. It spin dries real fast, and it gets all of the water out the clothes. You know, yeah, it spin dries so good that uh I can put it on a clothes rack in here, and I don't have to go downstairs, and I don't have to go in the laundry room downstairs and dry my clothes downstairs. You know, it's a money saver. You know, it's a money saver. Thank God. Hallelujah. Just in time. Just in time. Yeah. I don't want to use no public laundry room downstairs. You know. Then the laundry room downstairs, they don't use quarters and stuff, but they use your credit card or your debit card, and it'll take all your money. You know. But y'all can hear it. You hear it. It ain't loud, you know. Yeah, it's like it's really an electric bucket. That's what it is. You know, the other portable washer that I had from Amazon, it had two buckets. But this one right here, oh yes. Okay. Let me pause this. I want y'all to see it spin. Let me pause this. Okay. So now it's spin dry. You see the water coming out of there? It's getting all the water out. I know a couple times I had to actually sit on it. I don't know why. But it's getting all the water. See, for some reason when I lean on it, it'll start spinning. There it go. Now it's stuck. Y'all hear? See the water coming out? When I lean on it, it reminds me of the old-fashioned Sears washing machine that my mom had. Now it's spinning. When I leaned on it or put some weight on it, it spins. Oh shit. Did the error, gave the error message and little warning. That's the warning. That's the warning that it's not, that the clothes ain't balanced. But it does that. It's like a microwave. That's a little warning. Then I lean on it again. Here we go. But it gets the clothes. Here we go. There you go. You see it cut on. I don't care. I keep doing it like this. I do it like this. There we go. Now it's spinning. There you go. See, now I got the 3. Put some, all the water is coming out of it. Y'all see it start, it start. This thing is a lot, I tell you, this thing, boy, a lot better than hand washing. Oh, Lord, let me pause this again. Wait a minute. Y'all see it spinning? Yeah, y'all see? It got it real. See? It got all the water out the clothes. It's so, it done spin dried it. These clothes are practically dry. Yep. And it got the lint, the thing, where you take the lint out. See, the thing. And that's where you take the lint and stuff out of it. Oh, this thing is a lifesaver, y'all. Okay. Be blessed.